Today on PowerNation Daily, BMW attempts car-to-car refueling to break a world record. Watch the fastest Sandcars in 2017 battle it out. Russia dashcam videos will be coming to a theater near you. People are taking advantage of the winter weather with Lawnmower Ice Racing, and Ford has its first ever diesel F-150. It all happens right here on PowerNation Daily. What's up, everybody? This is PowerNation Daily. I'm Gannon. Thanks for hanging with us. Let's get to talking about what's going on in the news today. This record takes place on the Nürburgring, but it's not for speed. It's for something else. BMW is attempting to reclaim their title of the longest vehicle drifting in the Guinness Book of World Records. Drifting, it's a long ways to drift. To break the record, the driver of the M5 will have to lap the famous track for over 8 hours. While being sideways the entire time. They cannot go straight, have to be sideways the whole way, which is crazy. And instead of stopping to fill up or using a bigger fuel tank, Autoblog reports that BMW is actually going to do or attempt car-to-car fueling while the cars are in mid-drift. So while the car attempts the record, the other car has got to get sideways with it to fill it up. And that just sounds crazy. I'm not even sure whose idea this was. You can't accuse BMW of taking the easy way out on this one, that's for sure. For more information, check out PowerNationTV.com. The fastest Sandcar to come out in 2017 brought some serious power with it. Over 2,000 horsepower. In this video posted by YouTube channel, the Riders channel, you can watch two of the most impressive Sam buggies battle it out with each other. Between Blackzilla and Hatermaker, trying to stay on the ground while putting out some serious horsepower. It's definitely a great race to watch, and you can check out the whole video on PowerNationTV.com. The road movie will be making its way to theaters across the country this month, and it's going to be full of hundreds of videos showing the crashes and unusual situations that unfold on Russian roads. There are some pretty good ones, but to actually pay money we can watch on YouTube, I don't know if I'd do that. If you do it, let us know in the comments if it's any good, and tell us on PowerNationTV.com. A little snow doesn't have to stop all the fun. Actually, YouTuber Patrick Gamble proves that the winter weather with a little bit of ice and snow can actually add a lot of fun. SLMRA Lawnmower Ice Racing up in New Hampshire is where it's at. All you need is a hot-rodded lawnmower with some ice, maybe some cold beers, and then you're ready to rock and roll. It's kind of like the winter version of Redneck NASCAR. You can check out the whole video on PowerNationTV.com. Check it out. Ford's first ever diesel F-150 will debut this spring. According to Motor One, the truck will come equipped with a 3-liter Power Stroke diesel engine that puts out 250 horsepower, 440 pound-feet of torque. The towing capacity is going to be 11,400 pounds, and the fuel efficiency is going to be estimated at 30 miles per gallon, which is pretty good. The full-size truck is a win-win for customers who want strong fuel economy while being able to haul and tow. The new diesel engine now provides F-150 customers with 6 engine options altogether. Ford says orders for the truck will start mid-month. What are your thoughts on this? Chevy guys, let us know. Here's your chance. Thanks for watching PowerNation Daily, everybody. I'm Gannon Pritchard. Be sure to stop by our website at PowerNationTV.com. Let us know what you want to see. Have a good rest of your day, and we'll see you guys all really soon.